Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4. This one like the biggest change that Apple put it into a watch since the release of the Apple Watch Series 1. And I'm very excited to do this unboxing for you guys. Also, if you guys haven't seen my unboxing of my iPhone XS Max, check the link up here and you guys are gonna be able to see it. For now, let's get it started. So guys, I actually ordered this at midnight, kind of like the pre-order type of thing, same thing for the phone. I was expecting that this will arrive like weeks and weeks later, like all other Apple Watches that I've received. But for some reason, it was really fast. I chased the UPS guy like outside. I knew that was gonna arrive today. Super awesome, I'm so excited. Let's start unboxing. And it always comes with this idiot-proof type of thing here to open the watch. So let's do it. Oh. Actually, I'm being even more idiotic because I broke the idiot-proof opening. I guess it was more idiot than I expected. Okay, let's see this out. Apple Watch, guys. First thing I noticed, so I have the ceramic Apple Watch. As you guys know, the box before was like this is the box before for the ceramic. It's heavy, it's square, it has tons of stuff in here. It had like a portable charger. This guy didn't come with all that. It's a little cheaper, of course. It's like over $1,000, but it'd be nice to have like a little like cool charger, like little portable charger. Apple, give us a portable charger for free. Come on. Anyways, difference in boxes. Huge. Anyways, let's keep on going. So it looks like there's this butterfly type of thing here in the back. So okay, I wasn't expecting to be this savvy opening this. This is just, I was just bluffing. Wow, guys, look at this. This looks so cool. It's like all those like cool different Apple Watches printed here. It looks like a children's bedroom wallpaper. Like this is really cool, actually. It's like the Apple children, they have the watches for a wallpaper in their room. Look at that, it looks so cool. Oh wow, guys, the band comes separately from the box of the watch. So this is kind of interesting. It's the first time I've seen that these guys come in a different box. So interesting. Look alike. It looks like macaroons box because they come all like a little pile up here. Anyway, guys, this is the band. Let's open the watch and we'll play a little bit with the band in a second. Guys, here. Oh, it smells like new Apple stuff. Okay, so it has a specific smell. It's bizarre, like, but it does. Like, you can check other people. I'm not crazy. There is even like a candle scent, like in a candle store, saying like Apple new products. This is a real thing. I like this. Guys, smell it. Smell it. So okay, this is interesting. The Apple Watch comes inside this little fancy sleeve, like a Rolex. Look at this, guys. This is fancy AF. So guys, if you guys go for vacation, you can always keep this thing here with you to protect it. If you're not gonna wear it, if you're gonna put it away, this is a good little cover. This is very nice to keep. Guys, it looks so interesting. I'm gonna compare side to side with my Apple Watch. They look the exact same, but as the screen you can see, such a huge optimization. They actually expanded the screen to be higher on the edges, higher on the sides. So you have better screen, you have 2 millimeters of screen, but it still didn't compromise in sizing. So it's pretty interesting. The back, as you can see, it looks so much different. This one looks a little more high tech, to be honest. All those little balls on the back, it looks like, what's going on in there? And this is like, looks like an evil eye. It's like, I'm gonna get you a heart rate now. Wow. Anyway, but this guy here compared to this guy, they look kind of different. Let's see in buttons. Guys, look at that. This is so much more discreet compared to the older one. Oh, maybe it would be better if I do this so you guys can see it. Look at that, guys. The button is different. It's red. They made it a little bit more covered. The mic is right. This is not the mic. This is the speaker. The mic is actually in the other side, so it won't compromise in sound. It does feel different. And the button here, you know the button here, you guys have like security to turn on, turn off, or whatever. it does feel less prominent. So it's a little more sleek. And this is a little bit more like, you see, it's like, oh, interesting. Oh, the thing is turning on. I know we need holy water. If you guys know a good person, a good like spirit hunter, leave the comment down below. We can call them. We need some holy water. Those things are just turning on. And I barely touch it, just touch this button here, but up, it wants to pair up with my phone. Guys, I'm gonna do a little pair up. I'm gonna be right back. So guys, while my iPhone is still setting up and kind of doing the restore, let's kind of check out what's inside the box. So like I said, we already checked the watch face, which is in the table there. Inside comes with like a little manual, probably little stickers in here about how things work. I don't think it came with stickers this time. I think this maybe is the first time ever that watch didn't come with stickers. No stickers, guys! They robbed us! There's no stickers! What we have inside the box, guys, we have a connector to the wall, the charger to connect to the back, and that's it. There's nothing. There's no docking station, no anything. Now let's check the band real quick and see what it looks like with the Apple Watch. So guys, I'm done syncing up my Apple Watch with my new iPhone. So I'm gonna open the band so you guys can see what we have here with the Milanese collar. I picked up the Milanese because I think it's very dressy, very nice. I was looking through the Hermes ones and I was like, you know what? I'm actually interested to see what the Milanese would look like. And it looks very nice, very fancy. So it's the first time I don't see like the band coming inside the box of the watch. So it's kind of interesting. That kind of came in two different boxes. So look, the Milanese, it's kind of like this nice copper collar. And it's adjustable. This is super easy, guys. It's like very pretty, very easy breezy to set up. Here we go. That little plasticky thing. There we go, guys. It looks like this. Look at that. Super nice. Let me set up on my arm so you guys can see what it looks like. So guys, this is the new face of the Apple Watch. I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see because it keeps like turning off. There's like the utility face, which you kind of turn into this new face here that optimizes the corners of the Apple Watch. It's really cool. I think it's very interesting. It's upgraded. The Siri, you can like raise and talk to Siri and just ask a question. How's the weather today? Oops. I don't think it's set up yet. How's the weather today? No, it's not working right now for some reason, but I have to set up. I heard that the Siri, if you just raise your arm up and ask a question, it would answer the questions to you. I haven't set up yet, so I'm not sure if it's something that I had to turn on the watch itself, but we'll figure out with time. I'll let you guys know, keep you guys posted. I actually got the Nectarine sports band to go with the watch. So I'm gonna use this like my casual wear, kind of similar to Hermes. And I'm gonna wear this when I go out. So it's super cool. And also there's like a really cool features. You can get an ECG on it, so you can check your heart rate with it. Other stuff that you can do, it's more, you feel more the motion of the watch if you're navigating through the menu. You can feel more. So it's kind of interesting how it kind of does complications work with the Apple Watch. So if I'm navigating like this, it's kind of giving me a little bounce back feeling, which makes you feel like you kind of making a selection easier before you kind of just pass whatever you want to see and you don't know because you kind of scroll too much. This time, because of this like feedback in the pulsing, you can actually have a more accurate way to pick up whatever you're looking for into this complications here in the Apple Watch. So it's really interesting. So it's faster. Battery life, I know it's the same, but I know if the battery life is usually like better in the newer watches because it's a new watch, new battery life, but the battery life, they kind of made it the same. But there's so many other improvements in this Apple Watch. I'm really impressed. And accuracy for exercising is much higher. And also, if you start exercising and forget to activate that you're doing a workout, it will track it by itself. Before, you would exercise for a long time and it shows like you didn't reach your calorie goals because you didn't activate it. Now the watch is smart enough to know that you start exercising and it's tracking. So I think it's really cool. Also, there's features about challenging your friends for like reaching the goals of your fitness goals. Also, I've seen it online, there's a walkie-talkie type of feature that I would love to test, you know, with other people, and we're gonna be able to test it. And it's really cool because you can kind of send walkie-talkie messages to each other through the Apple Watch without actually calling the person. So it's really cool. I'm really looking forward to test the feature. I'm gonna keep you guys posted about it. For now, let's unbox this guy here and finish this video. Also guys, I forgot to say, if you fall, if something happens to you, the Apple Watch will detect, if you leave it on, it will detect that you fall and it will start counting down the time that you fall. And if you don't respond to it or react to it, then it's gonna kind of start contacting your emergency contacts, then call the police. So try to not fall. Or if you're bouldering, rock climbing, and you fall, make sure you turn that feature off, because otherwise you're gonna be calling your entire family. People are gonna think you're dying. So let's unbox this guy here, guys. We open here the case. That's so cool, guys. There's a small version, larger version. I'm gonna get the small version. I'm gonna go work out today and wear this band here. Looks really nice. I like the orange color. It's very festive, very unique. I'm gonna put it into the Apple Watch and have a little bit of fun. For now, that's all I have to say. Stay connected, guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. We're gonna post more reviews and get your Apple Watch. Let me know down below which Apple Watch did you get. I'm curious. Stay connected.